I was born and raised on the river. It's the only life that I know. People around here have put a name on me, and I hear it wherever I go. They call me River Boy, River Boy, a good for nothing River Boy. This whole world don't hold a whole lot of joy when you're nothing but a river boy.
I do a lot of fishing on the river to make my living, you see. When I take my catch to the marketplace, the people call out to me and they say, River boy, hey river boy, got any fish today there, river boy? I sell my wares, but nobody cares but the feelings of a river boy.
There's a pretty girl works at the marketplace. I see her there every day. But when I try to talk to her, I can hear her papa say, come away from that river boy. He's a river boy, nothing but a riffraff river boy. No girl of mine's gonna waste her time on a good for nothing river boy. So I head my boat back up the river, back to my old fishing place.
I'm afraid this old river's gonna overflow from the tears running down my face.
I'm nothing but a river boy, river boy, a good for nothing river boy. This whole world don't hold a whole lot of joy when you're nothing but a river boy. This whole world don't hold a whole lot of joy when you're nothing but a river boy.
Ain't that the truth?